Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something super crucial for all you business owners out there. How to bulletproof your online business data. We're talking Fort Knox level security here, but without the need for gold bars and army tanks. So grab a cuppa and let's get into it. First off, let's talk updates. And no, not just your Facebook status. I'm talking about regularly updating your software and systems. It's like giving your business a digital flu jab. It keeps those nasty bugs away. Make sure you're not running on something that even the Flintstones would consider ancient. Update, folks. Next on the list, passwords. And no, password 123 isn't going to cut it. Implement strong password policies. Think more Mission Impossible and less Open Sesame. Mix it up with upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And please, no birthday passwords. Unless you were born on February 30th. That's just asking for trouble. Now let's rally the troops, your team. Train them on security best practices. After all, you're only as strong as your weakest link. Make sure everyone knows not to click on those "you've won $1 million" emails. Newsflash, you haven't. Train them well, so they don't accidentally invite the cyber crooks to the party. Moving on to your networks. Secure them like they're the crown jewels. Use firewalls, antivirus software, and whatever techno-wizardry you need to keep the baddies out. It's like setting up a bouncer for your data, and only the VIPs, very important packets, get in. Data encryption isn't just a fancy buzzword, it's a must-have. It scrambles your data so that even if someone gets their hands on it, all they've got is gibberish. Unless they're fluent in nonsense, they won't be able to do a thing with it. Regular backups are your safety net. It's like having a good parachute when skydiving. You might not plan on using it, but you'll be glad it's there when you need it. Back up regularly and make sure it's as up-to-date as your Instagram feed. Don't just set up security and forget about it. Monitor and audit access to sensitive data. Keep an eye on who's peeking at what. It's a bit like having CCTV, but for data. And commit to continual security improvement. Cyber threats evolve faster than the plot twists in a soap opera, so keep up. All right, that's a wrap for today. Remember, securing your online business data isn't just a one-time gig, it's an ongoing battle. But with these tips, you're well on your way to being a cybersecurity warrior. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep those cyber gremlins at bay. Cheers.